It's hard to believe, but I figured out how to get Delta Executor for iOS and Android, so I'm going to show you how to get it. So as you can see, guys, it fully works. So I'm going to join a game just so you guys can see that it's actually working. But yes, it's super wild. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, look at this. We got all the settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to get it onto your device. So this is super cool, guys. So try it out for yourself, and I'm going to show you all the steps. So as you can see, we have all these settings here. So this is super cool. So if you guys want to get it for your device, just keep watching. And I'm going to show you guys all the options. So this is so cool. So yeah, let's get into the tutorial, baby. So as you can see, we have all these settings here. So this is really just top of the line. Alright, so to get it, I just want you guys to go to this website, blocksnova.net. So once you're on the site, guys, there's going to be a button that says Get Delta. So just go ahead and press that. And you can read all about it. There's like 2 million downloads, which is cool. So this is very widely used. So yeah, I really needed Delta Executor, so now I got it. So we just need to enter our username at this point. So let me just go ahead and put it in right here, as you can see. And then I'm just going to press continue. So it's just going to search the Roblox database for your account. So just press yes, and now it's just going to install the Delta Executor. So I'm going to press import, and then I'm going to press continue. You don't need to bother with the scripts thing because it's just not necessary. But at the end, it is going to say, like, I'm not a robot, and you just have to press that. So let me just show you guys how this works. So as you can see, it says API connecting. Alright, so let's see if this goes through. So it says I'm not a robot, so I'm just going to go ahead and press that. So let's see if it goes through, and it should verify us. Alright, so as you can see, guys, it worked. So that's how I get the Delta Executor for your device. So be sure to try it out. It's super cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed it, but as you can see, we have it. So you can actually do this, guys. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super wild. So yeah, get ready to experience the Delta Executor, guys. So this is so cool. So as you can see, we have all the options. So this actually works. So hopefully you guys were able to do it. I haven't had any problems with this at all. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super cool, guys. Totally works. So if this video works to you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it. I'm going to see you guys in another one, but yeah, try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is super amazing, guys. So peace out.